what happens when Barber's back. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Yo.
Talk to me.
Money, you got it?
Lo tengo.
You got the goods?
Está afuera.
I'm outside, B. Bringing me the goods. Fonz?
Dímelo, maní.
Chillin', what's good, bro? Yo, today's the day, bro. Today's the big day. I needed your help. I needed your help, bro, because I should not be driving and recording at the same time.
You shouldn't. That is kind of...
That's dangerous.
That is dangerous. And I think that you need to step it up when it comes to safety.
Liar, pants on fire.
You know, because you're already looking dangerous.
I'm looking kind of dangerous. I'm looking dusty.
You are looking dusty.
For Fonz
and that
to tell
can
me that
cause
I'm
an
looking
accident on the street. Somebody look at you and be like, oh!
Oh, God.
You know, some, you know, they get out the lane.
Oh, my goodness.
So anyways, I got something for you. It's not a big deal, but it will help you. You know, you might even have to blur this out, man. I don't know if I want it out there. But, yeah, here you go.
Oh, man. Go. I don't even know how to...
It's a little mouth.
I don't even know how you...
It's a mouth.
How you just... It just kind of... You just kind of...
Yeah, it's magical.
Okay.
Oh, it's not working for you.
I'll
You know what, man? Never mind. This ain't...
No. I'll figure it out. Thank you, Foz.
No problem.
All right, guys, had to make a pit stop. Had to make a pit stop because have you ever been in your barber's chair and your breath is kicking? I mean, like, really, really, really kicking? So I had to make a pit stop because I didn't want to do that to Shannon, you know what I'm saying? So I had to make a pit stop. Can never go wrong with this. Never sit in your barber's chair with your breath kicking. It's not good for you, and it's definitely not good for the barber. What's up, Mr. Gifton?
What's going on, bro?
What's up, Shannon?
What's up, bro?
You ready?
I'm ready, man.
You
Let's
ready
do
to
this
do this
thing. Let's do this.
All right.
How do I say goodbye to what we...
Go ahead. Come on, cut it out. Number 3, all the way around.
Hold on a second. Hold up. Y'all didn't think I was gonna go right into it like that, right? Without explaining the reason behind all of this? Allow me to enhance the vision of this story for you guys. All right, guys, so now that we're back at the place where this whole thing started, where this all took place, right? Let me break it down for you as to what went down and what I had to do and why I'm doing this to my hair. You guys been in the barbershop before, right? You guys been in the barbershop where you make a bet and you make a bet and you know in your mind you shouldn't make this bet, right? Like you know right here in your head, you know, I should not be making this bet. This is not an intelligent bet. This is not a smart move. But when you have 13 guys in a shop, 13, I'm not getting punked, right? And then once you make the bet, you can't walk it back. Can you imagine trying to walk back a bet with 13 people in here? Can you imagine what you would hear? It's like a locker room. Can you imagine what they would put you through if you actually try to walk it back? So at that point, you're like, I bet then. I'm not backing up. You don't punk me. I'm not backing up. So this is how it went down. You see that station right there? That's my station. That's my station. And directly across from me is Alex. So he sits right across from me. So you guys know how when you play the conference championship in the NFL, there's 2 weeks before the Super Bowl? There's 2 whole weeks. 1 week is for preparation. The next week is the media week. And it's all this hype and all this build up because it's the Super Bowl, right? So for 2 weeks, after Tom Brady and the Patriots beat the Chiefs, Brady put something up on his IG.
Ain't going nowhere. We can't stop now. 'Cause it is
bad boy for life.
So after Tom Brady put that song up, all we heard for 2 weeks, every day, was that song. And then it doesn't make things better. This happens to be Alex's station, right? Right here, this little chord is the auxiliary chord. So not only did we have to listen to the song for 2 weeks every day, Alex had control over the music every day. And then you're cutting hair, and you're cutting hair, and all you hear is, you ready? For 2 weeks, all you hear is this. And Alex is back here, you know, he's loving it because he's right across from me. He sees me losing my mind. Alex over here. And he cut hair. He's loving it because he's a Patriots fan. And I'm over here like, can you change the song, bro? Can we play another song, man? And he's over there like, you know, Patriots, we the champions, we Super Bowl champions. So then I open my big mouth in front of 13 people. And I'm like, listen, bro, the Patriots aren't going to win anyways. What did I say that for? So, you know how it is. It's the testosterone in the barbershop. He's like, you want to bet then? Let's bet. What do you want to bet? He's like, if the Patriots lose, I'll put the Rams logo on my head. Mind you, Alex has a number 1 all over. It doesn't matter. It's not like he's risking much, right? So he can't punk me in front of 13 people. So I'm like, you know what? All right. If the Rams lose, I'll put the Patriots logo on my head. And the whole shop's like, oh! And at this point, I know I made a mistake. Matter of fact, at the point he opened his mouth and said, I'll bet you that he'll put the Rams logo on his head, I already knew where it was going. I knew that I had to step up to the plate. He couldn't just sun me like that. So I knew where it was going. I already knew before I even opened my mouth, I was in trouble. But I wasn't gonna allow it, right? And I'm a man of my word. He even gave me a buyout. He told me, you know what? You can give me $25 and I'll let you off the hook. But I wasn't gonna hear that. Nah, I didn't want to hear it all year long. Chris took the buyout. Chris took the buyout. So I went through with it. So that's the story of how that went down. So now let me show you behind the scenes at the Super Bowl party. And guys, by the way, get active in the comments. In the barbershop, we bet, like I said earlier in the clip, we bet with dignity. It's all about ego, right? It ain't about the money, it's about winning. And what's the craziest bet you've ever won or you've ever lost? Get active in the comments.
I know Patriots. Patriots who? Who?
What in the hell? What kind of Super Bowl party did Perez invite me to? Somebody go look at this. Look at this. This man is crazy.
Where you at? Where you at? You got 30 minutes for the rest of your life. You got 30 minutes.
So wait, you guys don't like Maroon 5? You don't like moves like Jagger? Man, that's y'all's loss.
I know you, Jagger. Without telling, I know. Kiss me till you're drunk and you all the moves like Jagger. Motor.
Senor Perez in the building.
Let me see the Patriot.
No.
Oh, you
I want a reaction. I want a reaction.
So you want like the on ragging?
I want like on ragging, yes.
Okay, who's gonna do it? Who's gonna
gonna do
reveal?
it?
I think since you asked for it, you gotta do it. Yo, reveal.
The reveal.
John, you ready?
What's up?
Music fun.
Music, drum roll.
Who's gonna slide on the floor this time?
Drum roll.
Not me.
Somebody got to slide on the floor. Come on, man.
That shit hurt.
It hurt? That hurt last time?
So, Perez, what happened to the curls?
My curls have been removed.
What happened?
Oh man.
We don't bet money as barbers unless you're John. So we bet dignity. So my dignity is gone.
This is what happens when you bet against the GOAT.
Oh! Turn him around. Oh my God.
What? Oh!
Dang. You must really love that team.
You look like a winner with that on your head, bro.
If you don't know, now you know.
How you feel, bro?
I can't really describe my feeling right now. I'm gonna have to get in a little more of an intimate setting so that I can elaborate on what I'm feeling right now.
Look at yourself.
Yo, he's a marked man.
Look at yourself.
He's a marked man.
It looks cute though, bro. Not for nothing, bro.
Look at yourself.
Hey, Shannon, looks good. Great detail, and the truth is, it brings his eyes out too, bro. Makes your eyes pop.
Man, makes your eyes pop.
Beautiful. It looks good.
Thank you, John. I appreciate it, bro. Making me feel better a little bit.
You a winner, bro.
I mean, hey, you know, if the Patriots get Odell, I'd be a fan, but the design is nice.
They're talking about moving them.
I see.
How you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
What do you think? What do you think? Shannon did his thing?
Yeah, he did his thing. He did his thing, but we don't do the Patriots.
Fonz, what are your thoughts?
It's a beautiful piece of art. He did his thing. Shannon, how is it? I can't even pronounce it. Shannon, you did your thing.
John, you've said enough.
He got the GOAT, Shannon. Hats off to you. Hats on for you. It looks beautiful. Man,
hats off to Shannon.
We all
hats on to
winning,
me.
baby, yo.
What's up, Vic? What's up, bro?
What's up, Bobby? Yo, what up?
What up?
What up?
Y'all see why I'm saying? What's up, Ramos?
Yeah.
What's good, bro?
Man, what's all this? What's all this about?
You'll see. Who are you going for the Super Bowl?
Patriots, man.
You know what this is about, then. What's up, George?
What side is it on this side? It's everywhere. Oh, it's everywhere. Hold on. Who's doing the honors? Who's doing the honors? Oh, wait.
Hey, Chris, this is what happens. This is what happens when barbers bet. We don't bet with money, we bet with our dignity. And I'm a man of my word.
Hey, they got something good for you coming up.
Hurry up, I got clients. Hurry up.
What side is it on?
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Might as well stand back here. Yeah, the goat, yeah.
The GOAT is here. The GOAT's here.
Oh! Good. Reveal it. 1, 2, 3. Don't ever bet.
They go, baby. Hey, he offered me $25 and not do it, but I'm a man of my word. I did it anyways.
I won the bet.
My final thoughts. All right, guys. So this is these are my final thoughts. My final thoughts are I'm sick of it, but just don't bet against the Patriots. Death, taxes, and the Patriots winning the Super Bowl. It's pretty much a guarantee. It's a shoe-in. So just don't, right? Let me be the sacrificial lamb. Let me be the lesson learned for y'all. Although most of y'all know because it's pretty, it wasn't very bright of me to make that bet. But those of you who may not, or may not be, that in tune with football, or you're thinking about making the mistake like I did, just don't do it. Don't bet against the Patriots, or you'll end up like me. 2 weeks with this thing on my head, it's just not okay. Like, now I went from these curls. My wife is hot at me. My daughter doesn't even know who I am anymore. Just don't bet against the Patriots. Appreciate you guys. Don't do it. And I just gotta give a huge shout out to Shannon. I mean, look at this thing. It's incredible. Appreciate you, bro. You killed it.
Wait, come on, yeah, wait,
We're here. Yeah.